So nje ngikuzwa umenshina umzizi kapani and mention kwakho umzizi like ngathi tension yana ekhona around umzizi ngathi amajita amabhayani issue umzizi yetho
yeah.
So why do you think yenzeka right in there?
Abanye abajita yazi singama players yafilana yabo siyama ukuthi hayi lo yamhlula yabo nantontoni yabo
Yeah.
mara mina nje esayidini lami yabo umzizi nje Frostani khona yabo nayi ngambala kule list le yabo lihle yabo because nayo idlalile iphathi empilweni yami yabo like bekakhona ukuthi angilande endlini akhona ama-cogs yabo bekuloyo muntu ongikhuthalele uthina mntwana yami woza manabo yeah
Some umuntu kazama ukuthi na uphushe impilo yakho ukuthi ifike somewhere.
yeah
So do you think when njani ufile in the stage where ufuna ufika khona there's still more matata esombona than before because of obviously ama-performance ama-seasons awafani yetho uplaya le tournament uplaya le league iyalibona yetho so wena do you believe you play le tournament or uplaya le league or you need i-team egrand so that uzofika uzo-reach whatever goals ofuna ukuzi-reach because of these goals I guess ozisethele wona ngokwakho uthi okay no ngenzile sona so but then if ever get i-team egrand ethi intona nayo into esona i-contract ungayenza the most
yeah
so akahlahla ama-goals akhambi kanjani manje
mina
I guess you're 24 years
10 24 Yeah.
23 southern Africa qualify
yeah
so don't you think angeke uyithole i-team malesikhathi lesi or you still wanting for i-team or khona la usabheke khona
i-team ngingayithola and khona nabantu abangilandile abadlala ikhasela yabo bathi ngize ngizobancedisa baselophini evilalisa bathi ngize ngizobancedisa for the season le yabo ayi for mina nje ayikhaseli ngibone ngathi ngibuyele emuva yabo at least mangathi uthola i-team nje edlala kumtsipa yabo yila ngizokhona nami ukuprova khona ukuthi ngingayenzana ngakhona ukufika phambili
but you start somewhere before you get somewhere. Don't you think team monga kulo team evalelisa udlala maybe le season ukuthi yabanceda maybe season seyaphela no udlala lo season maybe icede then maybe khona uzokubona that simazi ngibona le mangayithi la somewhere maybe agent nyena ucabanga ukuthi into njani ngayenzeka
nokuyicabanga